Fender Pro Junior modifications. This one's already been changed to cool the bias at R29. That's a 22K resistor. The originals are 15. This has already been changed R6. And if I remember what that one's for, I'll post it here. Going to put new caps in to replace all four of these and these. Yeah, R6, that was supposed to increase headroom. That's also a 22K. So I've got the chassis out. Now we're going to try not to break these ribbon cables to replace all these caps. And I had forgotten that previously I'd updated the output transformer, this, and I'm not sure what kind of voodoo this was. Probably to keep down hum or noise. I don't remember where I read that. Don't forget to drain your filter caps so that you don't get shocked and killed. I've done each of these individually. Positive and negative. And that one's down to 0. Just make sure they're all empty. Plugged in, turned on. I got a Fender plugged in, so I'm getting some buzz. Single coils. New caps. I don't know if it matters what temperature they run at. I'm getting 93, 98, 97, 95, 115, and 88. Now the tubes, V1, I've got a 5751 in there. I want cleaner headroom. That's running about 102. I don't know if that's coming out. 102, 104. This one is an EC, what's it, ECC 83? Phase inverter. 134. Power tubes, EL84s. Got 175, 80, and 175. Come on. Close to 200 on that one. Same thing over here. Now those new little ones, 109, 105, 106. Got a smooth tone pot, no noise at all. I got a scratchy volume pot. So I'm going to hit that with some deoxit. Final product with a Les Paul. Going to get the greatest audio with a phone. Ice pick. Give her the beans. This is cranked up on full. Hurt. Turn that thing down. It's only with the tone halfway up. The tone's all the way up on here. Volume's all the way up. This is down down to about a third volume. Pro Junior noise, at least the older ones, everybody said to leave this screw out of when you put the back cover on. Here's why. That screw used to rub on this shield that shields the volume and tone control, hence making either hiss or hum.